Okay, so everything should be set up in Schoology, but it looks like it once again imported my last year's classes as well. So I'm just going to go over how to get those out of there. And I know these are my last year's classes because I have pictures for my different courses. But otherwise, if you're not sure, they're probably going to be the ones towards the top, and then my new classes are down here at the bottom. So I'm just going to open one of my courses from last year, come up to course options, and down to edit privacy and course settings. And then we're going to go to info, and then where our issue is in our grading periods. It's imported it back in for this school year. So I am just going to uncheck our 1920 school years, and then you still have to assign it to some grading period. So I just go back and choose our training because it doesn't have anything in it. Even from last year, it thinks it's a new course. So I'm not losing anything. So I'm just going to say save. And then when I go back to my courses now, you can see that one is no longer there for last year. So you do have to do that on each course, so I apologize for that. But hopefully you can get through it fairly quickly to get rid of your last year's courses.